Hi everyone, this is David. Welcome to our office. So we came across this really amazing video called Ink in Motion, and we thought that maybe we can create some of the ink footages. You can use them for yourself in your projects too. We have a small little setup here where we're going to film all the different ink footages. So let's go see what we can do. If you like the ink footages, we have included a link below so you can download them and use it in your project. Or you can find them in OFFEO platform we have uploaded into our library. Here we have one of the black ink on white background footage. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with it. So I have adjusted the contrast, so make sure that it is pure white and black. I have adjusted a Luma matte. So right now, the black area will become transparent. And now I can use it as an overlay to show what is behind the footage. So this way we have a more interesting way of revealing our content behind it. Now we are back in OFFEO platform. Now I'm going to show you how to create a double exposure effect, and then we will apply the ink review later on. Under the media, I want to search for two images, preferably something that has a very strong contrast. Okay, let's start by searching perhaps architecture. Maybe something at night. Okay, I think this should work fine. Okay, let me just enlarge the image. Alright, okay, the second image, I would like to have a portrait. A side portrait maybe. Okay, I think the first one might work. And right now I'm just going to the adjust mode. And in adjust mode, there's a blend mode. Right now it's normal. I'm going to change it to screen. So as you can see, they are now blended together. It's quite nice. So lastly, I'm just going to add a ink review that we have earlier. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Let's choose this. Okay, once loaded, let me just resize this. Okay, let's play. Let's add some motion to the image. So for the building image, I'm going to add a slow zoom in. Okay, let's see how it looks. For the portrait image, I'm just going to add a slide to the right, so about 5. Alright, this looks good. I'm just going to lower it a bit. Let's add a text to complete the video. Let's add a animation, I would like it to fade in from the right. Let's adjust the timing so that it appears at the right time.
Just pull.
You gotta break your back.
Yeah, your back will hurt.
High power.
Don't make me laugh. So must like.